Hello, welcome to WINFX Trading YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. So this is the highlight of the NFP news, non-farm payroll news release on the 10th of March 2023. The data actually come from the February report of the employment status of United States of America. You can see the results of the non-farm payroll. We have over 300,000 employees in the non-farm payroll data sheet. When we say non-farm payroll, you know, we are talking about like the number of employees in the labor market when you exclude farmers, when you exclude non-profit organization. Okay, so every other thing is on inside this non-farm payroll. The result is lower than the previous. The previous was around 500,000 plus, and the today's own is less than, which is around 300,000 plus. Okay, now when there is a lower employment rate, because the non-farm payroll talk about the number of people that are employed. Okay, when there is a low employment rate, what it means is that like when you look at it at labor level, like at labor force level, there is no much production. The production will reduce because no much worker. The number of workers is low, is reducing. So when the number of workers is reducing, it affects the output of production. The production is low now. But when we now bring it to the Forex market, what is the impact? Now, if the number of employees in a country is reducing, it will increase the value of the currency. Okay, it will automatically increase the value of the country currency, even though the economy is bad to the people. Like, some people are looking for work, some people don't have work. It make the dollar, like the currency, in this case dollar, because we are talking about United States, because non-farm payroll is actually done in the US. So it will increase the value of the country currency, which is US dollar. Yes, because when you don't have job, when many people don't have job, the little money they have, they manage it, they value it. The value of a currency is not dependent on the quantity of that currency, but it depends on the scarcity of the currency. Okay, so the more scarce a currency is, the greater the value of that currency. But when there is the inflation, with like there is high volume of currency in circulation, everybody have money, there are a lot of rich people, or nobody is poor, everybody have paper, the economy will be so that is not that the economy might seem to be doing well in terms of everybody have money. That is illusion. But in terms of the value of that currency, the value of that currency is going to fall. It's going to fall. But in this case, the value of the currency is actually rising because there is less job, and therefore there is less money in circulation. And so if I take you to the chart, you see the Fed, the dollar pays, increases, the dollar pays, rises, it buy. Okay, so if you are holding GBP, which is the Great British Pounds, you would like to buy dollar, use it to buy dollar, because there is less job in US. So let's buy dollar, because people will value dollar, so the price of getting dollar will rise. So I don't want to buy dollar when the price have risen, so let me buy it now. So that is the sentiment here. Okay, so any currency that ended with US dollar have to buy in this case. You have to accept that it have to buy in this case. Then stock indices, US stock indices have to buy also. Now let me show you. I traded GBPUSD and look at what happened. You see the chart. I did my analysis. in the 5 minutes time frame, I was actually waiting for this triangle to be broken. This is a triangle. In this case, a symmetrical triangle. I want this symmetrical triangle to what? Break. I want a candle to open above it, and see this candle. This candle open above it. There are two ways you can put a buy stop order above here. Okay, because you have already, like when you have not known the news, you can put a buy stop order above here or below here, depending. Like above here, and then set stop order below here if the news will lead to sell. So, but what happened here is buy. Okay, you can see it shoot and then it retracts a little bit and it's buying. Okay. So see the result. Massive profit. This referral account, massive profit. Is I can close, when there is news, you just open many position, close some, then try your stop loss. If you are afraid of, if your equity is not much, you can try your stop loss so that you will not lose more. Okay, this is what we do. I sent this signal in my VIP. This signal was sent in VIP. Try to join our VIP to not miss opportunity like this. Try to join our VIP. We have expert market analyzers. Actually, we are making people to be millionaires. Okay, that is it. Bye for now.